Hey, what's happening, my friends? Well, we've got a cold, blistery, rainy day today, but thankfully I've got the hoop house greenhouse out here to escape to so I can continually do some more work in preparation for this upcoming gardening season. Yes, spring has arrived, but we've still got inclement weather. We've still got some cold weather blowing through. With that being said, I'm over here getting ready to water these seedlings and give them a little bit of nutrient. Now, to accomplish this, I'm going to be using this really cool electric spray gun. This has a submersible pump on the other end. This is battery operated and rechargeable. You just plug it in to recharge it. This thing is a super handy device for many different applications in the garden, this being one of them. And I find this to be very convenient for many applications versus your traditional pump sprayer like this here, which pressurizes the chamber, and that's what creates your water pressure. You can have a much larger vessel than just a 2-gallon vessel like what you have here, so you can keep whatever application it is you're going, in this case watering seedlings that I'm getting growing in my greenhouse, for a longer period of time. So it has a 16.5-foot feeder tube, and you just drop that filter in again into the vessel. I've got some rainwater here, and to the water I'll be adding in a splash of organic liquid kelp. This is going to help to feed those little seedlings I got going, providing nutrients and added minerals. So this does have an adjustable telescopic wand. And it also comes with a couple different spray nozzles on the end. It's got more of a flat head sprayer as well as your traditional spray head like what I have on here. It also comes with a couple extra gaskets, little seals that go in between the connection fittings there, so you've got some extras on hand. And to activate the sprayer, you simply push the button right here. And just like that, seedlings are watered and fed. But this setup is also mobile, as you can see, which means you can take this out to the garden and do a bit of foliar feeding or treatment as well. It's got a nice powerful spray. We'll make sure to get the underside of the leaves, as that's where the stomata is located. And this is going to allow the plant to absorb the maximum amount of nutrient. Ooh, it's windy out here, guys. Check out this patch of volunteer greens. These are all Dan's perennial tree kale and tree collard seeds that came off one of the mother plants over in this area. Just hundreds of little kales, all with different characteristics. And they're gonna love this nutrient spray here. Sometimes, my friends, it's the small things like this that make all the difference in your garden. So there you have it, my friends, a cost-effective option if you're looking for ways to streamline your gardening operations and ensure that you're able to feed your plants through a foliar feeding technique. You're going to want to give this a try. And check down below in the description box, as always, I'll be leaving some links to related videos as well as links to the different products that I utilize in my garden. So with that, my friends, have yourself a great rest of the day. And if you can, find a way to spend at least 10 minutes today preparing or working in your garden. I guarantee you, you'll be happy you did.